We!
The suffering Filipino people.
Imploring the aid of Almighty God. In order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations and promote the common good to serve and develop our community and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessing of independence and democracy under the rule of law and the regime of truth,
Justice. Freedom. Love.
equality, and peace to coordinate and promulgate this Constitution.